Continued tragedy. Russian strikes inflict casualties and destruction in Ukraine. The unrelenting conflict between Russia and Ukraine continues to exact a heavy toll on civilian lives and infrastructure. The latest round of Russian strikes has resulted in further casualties and damage across multiple regions. The tragic consequences of these actions highlight the ongoing suffering endured by innocent civilians caught in the crossfire. In the city of Kherson, the strikes proved fatal for at least one person, while two others suffered injuries due to shelling in residential areas. Oleksandr Prokudin, head of the Southern Region's military administration, provided grim details of the attacks. Russian forces unleashed a staggering 69 shellings within a 24-hour span, utilizing various weaponry, including mortars, artillery, tanks, grade MLRS, unmanned aerial vehicle SWABs, and aircraft. The scale of destruction caused by these attacks underscores the indiscriminate nature of the conflict and its tragic impact on local communities. Moving further north, the Poltava region faced Russian strikes that targeted critical infrastructure. Dmytro Lunin, head of the regional military administration, reported the extent of the damage inflicted. Residential areas, including the central city of Kryvyi Rih, bore the brunt of missile attacks, leaving homes in ruins and causing widespread disruption. The nearby Nikopol district also suffered from shelling, further contributing to the distressing scenes of destruction. Amidst the chaos, Ukraine's air defenses stood resilient, successfully intercepting and destroying 4 cruise missiles over the past day. While these defensive efforts showcase the determination to protect civilian lives, the continued cycle of violence underscores the urgency of finding a peaceful resolution to the conflict. Moscow airports resume operations amidst drone threat. The skies above Moscow witnessed a momentary disruption as a drone threat prompted a temporary halt of flights at Domodedovo and Vnukovo airports. The incident, indicative of the evolving landscape of modern conflicts, highlights the complexities faced by cities in the midst of hostilities. The swift response of Moscow's air defenses led to the destruction of the drone, averting any casualties or damage. As the city's mayor confirmed, the incident occurred near Lyaburtsy, southeast of the capital. This incident, though without major consequences, serves as a reminder of the vigilance required to ensure the safety of civilian air traffic. With airports resuming normal operations, the incident underscores the intricate challenges of modern warfare, where emerging technologies can disrupt daily life and necessitate rapid responses to ensure public safety. Continuous struggles. Russian defenses counter drones in Bryansk. The western Bryansk region of Russia remains a focal point of hostilities as Russian air defenses continue their battle against drones launched from neighboring Ukraine. The destruction of 2 drones overnight, as confirmed by Moscow's defense ministry, underscores the ongoing tensions and persistent threats faced by this region. In the context of near-daily attacks on Bryansk and adjacent Russian territories, the challenge of defending against aerial threats becomes a constant struggle. These defensive efforts are in response to attacks that Russian officials claim have wounded or killed civilians, further highlighting the far-reaching consequences of the ongoing conflict. These events transpire amidst a backdrop of political statements. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky's assertion that the coalition aiding Kiev would not support the transition of hostilities to Russian territory emphasizes the complex dynamics of the conflict. The intricate interplay between military actions, diplomatic maneuvers, and the humanitarian toll underscores the multifaceted nature of the crisis.